Chat, I'm back with another video. And since I'm gonna start trying to post every single day, back again. I decided that I'm doing nothing besides doom scrolling right now, so may as well live trade, and maybe will also help me follow my rules, or it will make me want to force a trade. Who knows? But I promise you, I'm following my rules no matter what today. If unless it's a trade, I'm fine with it losing. I am not entering anything. But pretty much, what I want to see is sweep London low, and then get a bullish reaction, and then maybe like a long to an unfold 5 minute. That would be ideal. So let's say this 5 minute like went up a little more. I mean, or not. Just wherever this 5 minute opens up, look to target that after sweeping London low. Okay, we swept London low. There's no 5 minutes yet, so probably not going to end up getting that actually. But let's see if we displace past London low and want to go to Asia, or if we get a bullish reaction. And yes, my laptop is my lap right now since my desk is kind of occupied. I'm just drinking freaking cold coffee now. Well, it's supposed to be hot, but it's cold, you know what I mean? If it looks dark in here, it's because I don't have my light on and my blinds are open, but it's just like so cloudy and miserable out, so there's no light. Okay, I think we're just gonna be bearish here. So if we do end up being bearish, I need to start doing this more as well. If we are end up being bearish, I would want to see boom, boom, and then like a retrace, generate some LR down here, and then get a short here, proximity short, targeting this Asia low. How far away? 87 to 66. So we're like 20 points away, so this could still be a proximity trade, but I would just need to see LR built up here, and then a rebound short to that. So yeah, not really expecting anything today. I'm still trading my funded. I don't even know how it's not gone. Like I'm like 0-10 and have been like spam revenge trading the past couple days. But there's like probably 100 or 200 drawdown left since yesterday. Yesterday I hit max drawdown, and then Friday I think I lost like 750 or 800. So I have like 200 or 100 left, so I'm just gonna risk like 200 my next trade. If it works, then this account's like he saved, which it should work because I'm gonna be patient. But yeah, I mean, this long is genuinely like the most pattern trade long ever. I hope it triggers just so it loses. Okay, didn't even get it. Yeah, this sort of does look like a sell model. But the thing was, this trendline liquidity was like so good. So I thought we were about to get a crazy Judas into an hourly gap, then a long right there, but we did not get that. Then we had this side too. So like this was actually textbook. So I still sort of want this hit. Like on the high time frame, overall, we should be bullish like on the week, because if you go to the 4 hour, we have these like triple relative equal highs. We inverse this 4 hour to them. So this low should be like the last thing we want to get, unless we're just bearish. Like for my weekly like overview, there should be no reason to displace past this low because we should go higher. So yeah, which I think we will. Let's go to the daily. What's going on in the daily? I like never look at the daily. So we're in daily gap, inverse this daily to upside, insane V shape. Like, yeah. Tell me why I've been trading for like 3 years and I just discovered like typing in the numbers instead of just clicking in the top left of time frames. Like, this is way better. And I feel like way cooler doing it faster now. Okay, we sort of just did what I wanted to see. We just went closer to Asia low, so closer proximity to it. So now, if we generate some LR, retrace, sweep this high, get a short, I'd take that. Or if we want to sweep the low, I want to see us create this unfold 5 minute, which we're literally about to make. Or we open up an unfold 15 minute, and then get a long targeting that unfold 15 minutes. So there's really just two scenarios I want to see today. Okay. A proximity to this low, Asia low, would actually be good. We would, hopefully we put in a protected high here. If we swept this high, put in a protected high, and then also tap the 5 minute, then get an inverse short, like, I'd take this. This would actually be the model. It wouldn't be like A++, but it'd actually be the model. So it'd be no reason to freaking cry if I lost. Unlike my trades last 2 days weren't even like the model. So I had a reason to revenge trade and cry, but today, this would actually be the model. Ignore my hair, by the way. I really don't know why it's looking like this. I think I like need a hidden neck in like traps. It's like that's like the only body parts I don't hit, so like it looks, I'm like uneven because my shoulders like kind of big, I guess. Whatever. I mean, we did make a protected high. We just failed to tap the 5 minute, so it's just like not good enough for me to take unless we tap the 5 minute. Ideally, we tap the 5 minute, then get a bearish reaction, and like still sweep this high. Like that we don't close above this high. We did also get the 1 minute inverse, which we low-key could just be bullish because we do have all this liquidity. Maybe this is like, you could call this a rejection block. I don't know. We swept this hourly low. Like, we could be bullish now, but that's why you just gotta wait. Okay, we tapped this 5 minutes, so we did close above the side, so it's not protected anymore. I don't even think we're gonna get this, and if we do get it, I don't think I'm gonna take it because it just doesn't look good anymore since we closed past this high with some pretty bullish candles. And now if we want to be bullish, I would want to see us, boom, get in the proximity of this LR, get rebalance, hopefully, wait, this would be like the ideal thing. This would be like textbook. Boom, put in a protected low, unfold 5 minute we just made here, and then entry on this leg, inverse on that leg. Boom, this would be the ideal scenario if we are bullish. Wait, while I'm talking about being bullish, we're about to freaking get this inverse. So we did tap the 5 minute, 7, 8. So we're about 12 points, I believe, away from the Asia low. We balanced the 5 minute. So this trade isn't the worst, but I mean, like, the risk reward isn't even there. The stop loss isn't protected. Like, I just don't think this is good enough. I'd rather see us, like, come down, make, I don't feel like drawing it out, but, like, make LR here, and then sweep the side and get a short. There's just better options than the short, so I'm gonna stay out. Jeez, dude, I'm freaking tiny. What the fuck? I need to freaking pick up the fork. Not even though, because I keep contemplating between, because like I want to get abs since I never had abs, and I want like my face to be leaner, but I also don't want to be like get smaller. Like I don't want my arms and like my chest and my strength to get weaker and smaller to get abs. I don't know. Maybe I could get abs and still do both though. Okay, I mean, react on this 5 minute Asia low. Oh, if we get this close here, it does look good. Okay, I mean, if we get this close, I would contemplate it. Definitely wouldn't be like that high of a risk trade. We also do sort of have relative equal lows with another low. Marathon 5 minute. I don't think we're gonna get the close though. Okay, yeah. So now I'm just not even gonna take it since we didn't. If we inverse this candle, it would have looked good, but it's just not gonna look good now since we didn't get the inverse that candle. Come a little closer, they are saying. 15 minutes and 14 minutes. Yeah, I mean, I think we're gonna get longs after sweeping it too. But yeah, I'm fading it. No matter what, I'm fading the short. I'm not taking it. If the short lost, I would be like, what am I doing? So, wait, let me actually think about that real quick. I'm taking the short, and then it runs to my stop. I'd be like, yeah, what am I doing? So, yeah, I'm not taking this. Please sweep the low before the inverse. Yeah, like, I mean, now the RR just literally isn't even close to being there. Okay, I actually love that close since, holy crap. Is there news? I mean, it would have hit 1R without getting break even. That is actually insane. Actually, I mean, if you do a tight stop, yeah. If you do like this, you won't have hit 1R yet. Wow, there was zero way this was not a break even trade. That's crazy. But this isn't even like an option for a trade considering that close, so I'm happy with that. 15-minute opens in 13 minutes. We literally swept every sell side possible. 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes, or not 15-minute, but we had this low that we didn't sweep before that we just now swept. So now I just think we're bullish. We have all these draws higher. We just take a second and look at all these draws. LR, this high, LR, relative equal highs with the previous day high. Like, longs would be so good. Yeah, like this long would be so good, but I'm done taking trades that aren't technically my model. So like, the only reason I would take reversal is if there's like an unfull 5 minute and LR, which there is not. There's the complete opposite because we literally tapped this 5 minute with this. There's no other highs, so yeah, I'm not going to be participating in any of this. Why is it so freaking sad out, bro? I need to go to the gym. I usually go before market open, but there's low-key no point in forcing myself to wake up early when I could just go go after trading to get my buy it off the charts. Ew, bro. Okay, let's see. It's 9:48, so we still got some time. I'm probably just gonna make this until like 5-10 more minutes, depending on if it looks like we're gonna get something. Yeah, I mean, the only trade I would take is like, so we do have this unfold 15 we could open up. I mean, realistically, the only trade would be like if we confirm that the draw is higher. So like come up here, then get some sort of rebalance long entry. Not rebalance long entry, but like pull back and get a long. Come a little closer, they are saying. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, what's there to... Should I pull up something in the meantime since we're just sort of lollygagging right now? I don't want to pull up this Discord since it's a paid Discord. The chat's like paid. So that'd probably be bad if I pulled that up. What about the Wordle or the One Piece Stole? One Piece Stole or Wordle? I'll just do Wordle since none of you probably watch One Piece, even though it's the freaking best thing I've ever seen. Connections is the only fun one. Let me make sure there's nothing. But yeah, like, if I wasn't with my new strategy, I would take this 1 minute long 12 out of 12 times. But whenever I've been trading with my old strategy, I've been taking loss after loss. And think logically, I literally was even profitable with it. So why even keep trading like it? And knowing trading, knowing how this is gonna work, like this trade is probably gonna end up working to like test me. I think God's gonna test me on this trade working. Um, that's fine because this is my old strategy. I'm not about to take this unless there's LR. There is LR way above here, but it's like way too far away, you know what I mean? So we're about to open up a 5 minute. We have a 3 minute. Wait, we are about to open up a 5. Yeah, I mean, a mech. So another good trade would be if we made LR here, went down, set the slow, got a long to that, and unfold 5, but I'm not sure if we'd get that. Okay, toast, A, Bravo, hair, toast, bet, history, nose. Tongue, tongue, tongue? Yeah, if we sweep this high, it's cooked. Bro, am I slow? Hair, that's hair. Through, that's through. Nose, that's nose. Twice. Tongue, it's tongue. Bang, I got it. 100%. What? Tongue could be tongue. Through could be through. Nose could be nose. Hair could be hair. What is wrong? Once. I think it's going to be once. Wait, what? Um, toast? Is there another spelling of toast? I don't think so. Bet going twice. Okay, so I don't think it is what I was thinking. What I was thinking was each of these words are like have two different spellings. Once and once. So which one is not here? Nose? There's no way there's going to be a nose with an S unless it's like NOSE nose. Through and through. Hair and hair. Going. Done. Maybe done. I'm just going to do this. See what's going on. Okay, so we need hair and it's not done. So one of these two, isn't it? I mean, this price action is pretty booty. So it's one of these two that are gone. Nose. It's gotta be through, right? Tongue is tongue. Oh my gosh, I'm an idiot. It's like body parts. Tongue, nose, hair. Bravo. Twice, through, going. Sunk. Sunk once. Bet toast. A. I? Is this supposed to be like I? That's so I. Yeah, got it. So we're about to open up the cutest 5 minute. This 15 minutes about to open up in 5 minutes. That's 723. Okay, got bet. Sunk. Bravo. What is Bravo, bro? Besides the food place. USA. History. Sunk. Through. Toast. Make a toast. Make a bet. I need to like get my wisdom teeth removed. I like feel them. Is that just me? Okay. History. I only have one guess. Going to make history. Bet. Done. Sold. This is like, okay, bet. Okay, got it. Done. Okay, sold. You sold me. Um, through. Going. Sunk. Not even close. Doomed. I'm done. I'm sunk. I'm through. I'm toast. Yeah. Basic cable channels. Bet. Did not know that. Words in an auctioneer's chant. I should have got that. Dang. GG's. Yeah. 5 minute versus in 2 minutes. It just sucks because this like is so working. Hopefully my brother takes this and wins, but I'm just not taking it. I'm gonna check this Discord real quick on my phone. Anyone take the rebalance? Dude, what rebalance? Oh, that long? Dude, is he dumb? Bro, all these just unprofitable people. I can't be talking since I am, but are just freaking beefing over these mid setups. That's just not really an entry. I gotta get off my phone. Okay, so that was the 5 minute inverse. And we inverse in one candle. And we open it on full 50 minutes, so this is at least break even. Okay, so this isn't like a trade I would take ever. Well, it'd be a trade I would take literally any other time. But ah, nah, screw it, I'm not taking it. Like, I would take this trade any other time, but I'm trying to learn this new model, and it's probably gonna play out, but I just gotta breathe. So we already tapped this 15. Oh, okay, I gotta chill. I'm starting to get FOMO. Yes, you guys actually don't understand. I would be in this trade literally any other day but today. But who cares? I'm unprofitable with the strategy, bro. Who freaking cares? And I'm not even unprofitable with the strategy. I'm unprofitable with it because I just take the mid setups. It's gonna work too, since it's the one time I don't take it. Like the past 3 days, these are type of setups I've been taking and been like getting stopped by a tick. Oh, whatever, bro. Oh, dang, bro. This actually sucks. Okay. So I really want this to go to break even. So, because I would be break even if I were to be in this, but like on good setups like this, like it just doesn't hit break even. But we'll see. Look at that 5 minute entry, bro. I would pay for this to get break even. I would genuinely pay every dollar I have for this to get break even. I mean, it's gonna work, bro. Like, we're just gonna keep pumping it then. I just hope we get an entry top here, because if we literally, this doesn't get break even, and then we just literally pump top here with 0 entries, it's just gonna be so hard for my emotions, but oh well. I gotta just man up. Just gotta man up and literally trade like Aiden. Because I also came to the conclusion, I try to trade like 20 different people. I try to trade like PB, freaking Aiden. Well, those are low-key the main two. PB, Aiden, Dodgy, I guess. But like each of them trade their own way. Dodgy doesn't trade like PB or Aiden. PB doesn't trade like Dodgy or Aiden. Aiden doesn't trade like PB or Dodgy. Like they all trade their own way. So I just need to find one way and stick to it. Okay, I'm just gonna end this here since it's already been like 30 minutes. If I take a trade, I'm gonna do a trade recap, but pretty much the only thing I want to see is some sort of continuation to this LR, and then something like this. So yeah, this is like the only thing I'd want to take. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for tuning in to the live trading video. Yeah, peace out.